Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this tutorial, we will see how we can create the customized stories in SAP Lumira. So to create the customized stories in SAP Lumira, we have to use the Compose tab. Let's see in the tool how we can do it. So this is my SAP Lumira tool where I have this story already created. So if I want to do the customization of this story, so I can add the text to it, I can add the pictures to it, I can add the pictograms. So whatever I want, I can do it. So let's say if I want to add the text on the third page of the story. So if I click on this add page and if I click on create, if I want to add text here and I want to put it as thank you. So this is how you can add the text to your story. You can change it to fit to page. After that, if you want to add any pictograms to it, so you can go here and you can add the pictograms. So now if you go to the preview here, you will be able to see how your slides will look like. So first of all, you have the gross margin by category. After that, you have the quantity sold by manager, and then you have this thank you slide. So this is how you can do the customization in a different way of your stories. You can set up the story settings here. So whether you want the default filter scope as all pages or you want it as a current page. Then you can do the page settings. So what size you want, what width and height you want to set, what should be the background color, what should be the background image. All these things you can set up in the Compose tab of the SAP Lumira tool to customize your stories in SAP Lumira. So in this tutorial we have seen how we can customize stories in SAP Lumira. Thank you.